Self-doubt stands accused of undermining confidence and corrupting the mind from within. Have you ever been one moment away from speaking, trying, posting, leaving, building, becoming, only to hear a voice inside say, "Do not embarrass yourself. Do not risk it. You are not ready." That voice has ruined opportunities, delayed purpose, and made capable people feel powerless in the very moments they were meant to stand tall. But today, this court will examine the damage, and before this trial is over, a verdict will be reached. Was self-doubt ever trying to protect you, or has it been guilty of holding your life hostage all along? Court is now in session.
Bring in the case. This court is now in session.
Today's case feels familiar because it often sounds reasonable. Self-doubt stands accused of undermining confidence.
Proceed.
The prosecution begins with something difficult to dispute.
Your Honor, confidence doesn't disappear on its own. It weakens gradually, through repeated hesitation, through missed opportunities, through constant second-guessing. Self-doubt played a consistent role in that pattern.
Self-doubt does not react defensively. It speaks quietly, almost cautiously.
With respect, I didn't weaken confidence. I asked necessary questions. I encouraged careful thinking. I helped prevent reckless decisions. That's not sabotage. That's responsibility.
Responsibility has limits. Because in this case, questions never reached conclusions. Decisions were postponed indefinitely.
Fear supports self-doubt, cautiously.
Uncertainty creates risk, and self-doubt reduces that risk by preventing premature action. That's protection.
Motivation listens before responding.
Protection isn't the issue. The issue is duration. Because at some point, questioning stops protecting you and starts preventing you.
The courtroom begins to see the distinction.
I didn't stop confidence. I just made sure it was justified.
Exactly. You didn't destroy confidence. You made it impossible to feel certain.
Ego enters with a familiar concern.
Let's not overlook something obvious. Because acting confidently and failing can damage self-image.
Hope speaks softly, but clearly.
So can never trying at all.
Self-doubt now speaks more honestly.
I don't remove confidence. I just keep it from feeling secure.
The court sees the pattern clearly now.
Self-doubt. Answer directly. Do you question decisions, or do you prevent them from being made?
I question, but when no one challenges me, questions never end.
Self-doubt is not guilty of undermining confidence. However, It has been allowed to speak long after the evidence was sufficient.
Self-doubt was never meant to make decisions. It was meant to test them, not to control them. So if self-doubt isn't the barrier, why does its voice carry so much authority? The trial never ends. It only waits for your next decision.